Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I'm going to introduce you to the Active Directory part of AMM365, our account management utility. It is sometimes difficult to quickly and efficiently manage certain information in your accounts, especially if your AD is synchronized and you no longer have Exchange on-premise. Let's see this in detail. Once launched, click on the Active Directory part. We find on the left side the elements of your AD structure. Take for example our OU staff. We find our users, and for each the most relevant information is displayed on the right side. We will be able to modify this information directly without an additional window. Each modification made appears in red. It is thus possible to modify the name, the connection identifiers, the email address, the SMTP addresses. Click Apply to save the changes. The proxy addresses attribute lists all mail aliases of an AD account, if the scheme has been extended with the installation of an Exchange server. With AMM365, there is no need to delve into the heart of the account. In a few clicks it is possible to delete or add personalized proxy address information. It is also possible to check other information that has a link with messaging, as is the case here with delegations or the security part. This will make it easy to check inheritance rights on the account or add or remove full access, send as, or send on behalf of access rights. That's it for this part. Thank you, and I invite you to test this fabulous tool today. See you soon on www.amm365.com.